Have you ever walked away from a relationship knowing it wasn't right, but still feeling broken and lost afterward? Healing from a toxic relationship can feel overwhelming, but today, I'm sharing 5 steps to help you begin the journey of recovery and reclaim your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, we explore mental health and personal growth. Today's video is about healing after a toxic relationship. I know how painful it can be to walk away and feel like you're still carrying the emotional baggage with you. But I want to give you practical steps to start your healing journey. So let's dive into 5 key steps to help you move forward and rediscover your strength. 1. Acknowledge the harm. The first step in healing is recognizing the damage that was done. Toxic relationships often involve manipulation, control, and emotional abuse, which can leave deep scars. It's important to accept that this hurt is real. You might feel guilt or shame for staying as long as you did, but it's essential to let go of self-blame. The truth is, no one deserves to be treated poorly, and acknowledging the harm is the foundation of healing. 2. Rebuild your self-worth. When you've been in a toxic relationship, it's common to lose sight of your own value. Emotional abuse and constant criticism can leave you feeling unworthy, but you can rebuild your self-esteem. Start by engaging in self-care and doing things that bring you joy. Reconnect with activities or hobbies that remind you of your strengths. Surround yourself with supportive people who lift you up, and little by little, you'll start to feel more confident in who you are. 3. Set and enforce boundaries. One of the most important things you can do after leaving a toxic relationship is to set healthy boundaries. Toxic partners often ignore or violate boundaries, and part of your healing is learning how to protect your emotional and physical space. Whether it's setting boundaries with the person you left or in future relationships, make sure you honor your limits. Boundaries aren't just about keeping others out. They're about protecting your well-being and ensuring that you feel safe. 4. Seek professional and emotional support. Healing doesn't have to be done alone. Therapy can be a powerful tool in processing trauma and rebuilding your sense of self. A therapist can help you navigate your emotions and develop healthier patterns for future relationships. Don't underestimate the importance of a support system, whether it's family, friends, or a support group. Reaching out to others can provide the validation and encouragement you need as you recover. 5. Focus on personal growth. Leaving a toxic relationship opens the door to rediscovering yourself. Take this opportunity to explore who you are outside of that relationship. Reconnect with old passions, set new goals, and focus on the personal growth that may have been stunted during the relationship. This is your time to rebuild your life on your own terms, and every small step you take is part of your healing journey. Healing from a toxic relationship is tough, but it's possible. Remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and safety. By acknowledging the harm, rebuilding your self-worth, setting boundaries, seeking support, and focusing on personal growth, you can reclaim your life and move forward with strength. If this video helped you, or if you know someone who might benefit from it, please like, share, and comment below. I'd love to hear about your own healing journey or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on mental health and healing. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to heal.